Hey, it's Megan here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing my smartwatch. I'm going to share everything I love about this watch and some features to know about before purchasing. So let's get into it. The first thing I love about this watch is that it is super lightweight and has a really great size screen as well. I was surprised by the weight when I first picked it up, but I love how big the screen is because I'm able to see everything nice and clearly. As for getting your watch set up, it's a super simple process. Once you download the app that comes with the instruction manual, you get it connected really seamlessly just through Bluetooth and it pairs automatically. That being said, one thing to know about this watch is it does operate on Bluetooth, so your phone does have to stay nearby in range for all of the calling features and message features to stay connected. You can see here it has so many great health features included with it, and I will walk you through some of my favorites. It's super easy to put on, and I love that you can swap out the strap as well, so you can change up the color. And speaking of customization, you can also change the face of the watch, which I just think is super fun, so you could switch it up as often as you like. I opted for one that showed my activity because that's the main feature I love with this watch. The other thing I love, one of my favorite features, is the breathing feature. It just gives you that nice, calm pause throughout the day, and I just think it's such a nice touch to have on a watch. And then the third feature that I'll highlight is the calling feature. You can see here calls come directly to the watch. You can answer them. You can even talk directly on the watch, along with having keypad functions as well. Now, let's test out some exercise with the watch and see how it monitors it. I love having a heart rate monitor nearby so I can really track my fitness goals and see how I am performing. And you can see here after a nice cool down, you can see where my peak heart rate was and also where it came at my cool down. And then finally, the last thing I love about this watch is that it does come with a charger. It's super easy to use. Comes with a USB port that you can plug in directly, and then you just sit it on top of the watch and you can either fold it so it doesn't take up a lot of space, or you can lay it flat and you can see it shows the amount of charging on the screen. So overall, I am super happy with all of the features of this watch. I love that it not only tracks my fitness and performance, but also keeps me up to date on any messages and calls, along with keeping me calm throughout the day as well. So I hope you enjoy yours too.